We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 25 foot Gooseneck Deckover equipment trailer. This has your IBeam frame, is a gooseneck, has your coupler and safety chains. Has two of the heavy duty jacks, chain basket at the front of the trailer. You have your D-rings built in, stake pockets along the side. The flooring is pressure treated wood. This is a tandem axle. It's going to come with two Greaseable 7,000 pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. Around back, you'll see this does have the new self-cleaning dovetail, as well as your stand-up ramps. This trailer is wired with LED drive lights. And up front, we do have the spare tire mount. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 25 foot Gooseneck Deckover trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.